Good afternoon, gardeners. It's Miriam, and I wanted to share with you a cute little gift idea for springtime gifts that I've been planning for about a month. So these little terracotta pots come like this. I got them just from the Dollar Tree. They're $1 for 3 of them. And about a month ago, I started some little plants that are going to fit in here. So I'm going to show you how to make this cute little planter tray for a springtime gift. I'm going to start with the zinnia. I have some different kinds of flowers that I started. And I'm just going to drop that in there. I have some potting soil. And I'm going to just kind of fill that in and pack it. Now, these will go to family members this weekend. It's Easter, and so in my world, that's very springtimey. And I just like to give, you know, live things that in a month or two can actually be put in the ground. And so, frankly, that one's done. That's a zinnia. It's a cut and come again. So they're beautiful in the yard. Next, and I am so excited about these, we're going to plant a cosmos. And I just want to put a little bit of water in here because when I potted these up, I wasn't as careful to make sure that there was just one in each pot. So there's a couple of them in here. And I'm going to separate them. And if the soil is damp, it's better to do. And I'm just going to kind of gently tease apart the roots. I will take care of that guy in a bit. He'll be going into another. I'm going to make about 6 of these. And I'm just pulling off those lowest leaves. Now this can get kind of messy, but that's okay. It's only dirt. And I'm not packing this super duper tight, but I am packing it because I want the soil settled. What makes these cosmos so beautiful, that ferny leaf, and the bloom is they're pinks, and they're really 1 or 2 layers of petals. They're so pretty, and they really do get tall. They get 4 feet tall, so they're wonderful in a yard or in a landscaping. Okay, so that one's done. And lastly, I'm going to reach over to this other tray. I started some coleus, and I've not done these before, but they're really doing well, and I'm surprised that they're doing so well. These will be non-blooming, but you'll see that the leaves have some different colored variegations. And again, these seeds were really old. And I'm really making a mess of that. So I planted them really heavily. Go ahead and pull that out so I can get it a little closer. I'm going to put a little soil in the bottom. Whoops. And then fill that in. And don't fret about those other ones. Those will get resituated and be allowed to grow and in a very lovely and healthy situation. And I want those centered, and I want enough soil in there. Now you can see that I'm kind of mucking this pot up, and that's okay. We can clean that off. And I'm doing this a little bit early because I want them to have a chance to recover before I give them away. I'm just going to wipe that off a bit. Same with this one. And then I have this tray. These are about $1 at the garden center. And these will be positioned on there like that. Now comes the fun part. I just wrote on popsicle sticks what they are, and so these will, before I gift them, they will be put in there. I'm doing it now just for the sake of our video. If I do these a week early and have been, you know, water them, etc., the stick gets less pretty. So I usually wait to put the stick in until I'm ready to gift them, and I know, you know, what each leaf looks like. It's so pretty. So now I get to do the fun part. So I just have some cute little, those are some shells. That's a little butterfly. I love these little chicks. I don't know where I got them. I've had them a long time, but I just think they're adorable. Pretty for spring. Maybe some little Easter eggs. That's a little flower. These eggs are a little bigger and they have a shimmer, so we can put those in. And I kind of just, when I see these little doodads here and there, I pick them up because I really love doing this kind of thing, and I know somehow I'll end up using them. I'm just going to give those a little push in there. And that's our pretty little springtime mini garden on a budget. Total cost for this is probably $3, not including the time and you know, the heat and water and things like that, but the pots and the little doodads, and it's cute, sweet, and is good for springtime. So I hope that you are encouraged to try something fun, different, and unique for a springtime gift, and let me know if you've got some good ideas or if there's something you want to see in a future video. Thanks a lot.